Meet Pintu. Just like you and me, Pintu never forgets to brush his teeth. But sometimes Pintu is sleepy and forgets to close the tap while brushing. Did you know if you collected all the water that flows down the drain while brushing, you can fill almost 10 bottles of water? That's enough water for Pintu to take to school for 2 whole weeks. Now imagine if Pintu's father, mother, and little sister also close their taps while brushing. In 1 month, they can save more than 1,200 bottles of water. If you were to stack all these bottles on top of each other, they would reach as high as the Eiffel Tower. That's a lot of water that Pintu and his family can save. Now imagine if Pintu's neighbors, his neighbors' neighbors, and his whole city, yes, even you, also remember to turn off the tap while brushing. Together, in a month, we can save enough water to fill 2,500 Olympic-sized swimming pools. With all the water we save, there will be enough for trees and plants to grow, fish to swim, and for everyone to drink. All with one small step.